Understanding the product lifecycle is crucial for strategic foresight. It's about positioning the product correctly with the right investment. The product lifecycle influences decision-making at every business level, guiding project managers and stakeholders in strategic decision-making and resource planning. In the introduction stage, our focus is on concept validation and cross-functional alignment. We face tight timelines and limited budgets, requiring high iteration cycles and rapid feedback. This phase is experimental, demanding synchronization across development, marketing, and support teams to navigate unforeseen risks effectively. In the growth stage, focus shifts to scaling and market expansion. This involves launching multiple sub-projects like feature rollouts and infrastructure scaling. The product lifecycle guides us in scaling operations and resource forecasting, ensuring teams are prepared for increased demands without overextending resources. In the maturity stage, focus shifts to optimization and sustainment. We prioritize cost reduction, process refinement, and customer loyalty. Misalignment here can lead to costly mistakes. It's crucial to align projects with strategic goals, maintaining profitability, and exploring adjacent markets or integrations. This stage demands a shift from a build-and-ship mindset to sustaining market position. In the decline stage, strategic repositioning and risk mitigation are crucial. Transitioning users and managing internal change effectively can maintain trust. Planning knowledge transfer ensures continuity, while addressing decline impacts on brand and business stability. This stage demands careful navigation to preserve value and prepare for potential transformation or sunsetting initiatives. Portfolio management thrives on understanding the product lifecycle. It guides fund allocation and project prioritization. High-risk projects align with the introduction stage, while mature products benefit from conservative investments. This strategic insight ensures resources are optimally deployed, aligning with business goals and maximizing return on investment. In agile environments, the product lifecycle supports adaptive planning. Scrum teams adjust workflows based on the product lifecycle stage. Exploratory features align with the growth stage, while tech debt reduction suits the maturity stage. This strategic alignment ensures efficient resource use and timely responses to market demands, enhancing project success and stakeholder satisfaction. Mastering the product lifecycle is crucial for strategic decision-making and resource planning. It enhances stakeholder communication and risk management. By understanding product lifecycle nuances, project managers ensure alignment and sustainable delivery, positioning products effectively in the market.